Quick Steps is another function of Outlook, which is very often underused. Rules is normally based on a condition. So for example, if an email is received or if an email is sent, you want to do something. But rules allows you to do almost macros, a set of tasks based on a certain action that you perform each time. Let me give you an example of that. So here are the quick steps up here. And I've got an email here, Sandwich Van is here. What I might want to do is automatically reply and delete that email. Now if I click on this reply and delete, it will do that. But in fact, before I do that, I'm just going to make a few edits to that. So I'm going to come down onto here and I'm going to click on Manage Quick Steps. You can see I have all of those options that are up here. I'm going to click on Reply and Delete, and I'm now going to edit this rule. So the action is reply, but I'm just going to add a little bit more refinements to that. I'm just going to write in the text. Here we go. I've got the text noted in there, so I've just added that. And also, I'm going to automatically send after 1 minute delay. This is quite important because what will happen is when I apply this, it will then hold it in my outbox for 1 minute, and it allows me to actually stop the email if I decide not to send it. I can also create a shortcut. So for example, Control Shift and 1. So every time I press Control Shift and 1 on an email selected, this will take place. And I'm just going to save that. Click OK. Now against any email, if I do select it and do Control Shift and 1, you can see that quick step is applied. And in my outbox, if I come into my outbox, you can see that I have this new email just created just here that will leave in about 1 minute from my outbox. So Quick Steps is really, really powerful. What else can we do with Quick Steps? Well, one of the ones I like is the team email. The first time you ever use this team email, you're required to put in some information, and it tells you first time setup. So I'm going to call it team email, and it's actually suggested certain people I might want to send it to, and it said a new message. I do have a number of options. I can add certain actions. For example, I might want to create a task with any of these emails that I go out. Create a task with the text message of that email. I might want to set up a meeting. Lots of different tasks I might want to do whenever I create a team email. So I'm just going to click Save, and now I'm going to press Team Email, and you can see it's now automatically created with the recipients there. So you can create any quick steps for any groups you automatically send emails to. You might want to send a quick step to your boss, so wherever you've got press this button, it will automatically create an email to your boss. Or you might want to create a brand new quick step based on a whole host of different functions. Again, think of anything that you do regularly in Outlook that you would love to be able to automate it. And when you press a series of buttons, you would just like that action to take place. And that's what Quick Steps is all about. Rules is about taking actions based on receiving and emails going out. But Quick Steps is about doing repeatable functionality of common tasks you do in Outlook. And between the two of them, you really can have an excellent email management solution within Outlook. Give it a go.